problem today. Tempted to adjust the seat post. Look what's happened here. The bolt sheared. And unfortunately I was some distance, 6 miles, from my set-off point. So some slight anxiety. However, this is proven to actually get me out of problem. It's fabric tape. On eBay UK, it's known as sniper tape. It's military surplus. And I've bound the seat post and it dropped and forced itself in between the frame and the seat post clamp. And so far I've travelled a further 8 miles. It's proven satisfactory. So a length of this tape will always be part of my gadget bag and spare parts and tools and tubes. It's created a very successful remedy. I'm again today, my favourite spot, part of Salisbury Plain, unexplored. It's a beech copse, well, slightly mixed actually, beech, some spruce and some Scotch pine. Day transforming from bright to overcast. With the expectations of a blue sky. Weather changes quickly here. So there we are. Hope it's a tip that you'll be able to utilise, or certainly be aware of. I didn't think it would work. I was thinking there's going to be a long push back. So far we've had 8 miles on this and it's quite firm, quite rigid.